Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 15, 2024 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong November 15, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong Friday, November 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2PM. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 15, 2024, Friday. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, November 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 15, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.